Hello my friend, let me to show you how to setting the time for the UV curing box for this big box, okay? As first we setting, press it around 2 seconds. Then it will be P16. This must to be 16, okay? After it is P16, then we set again, setting. So it will be A0. This is mean the time. If you want to only 5 seconds, let me show you. If I want to only 10, like I say, okay, 10 seconds. So we just setting like this way, and the setting, the B no problem. So we no need to adjust it. Any words is fine, any number is fine. Okay, so like this, and we press it. After 10 seconds, it will be turned off by itself. Yes, like this. Very easy. Thank you.